Puppy, Luna, and Milo enter the forest, their eyes full of wonder. They spot butterflies fluttering all around them. Milo playfully chases a butterfly, making Puppy and Luna laugh. Luna climbs a small rock to see further ahead. Suddenly, they hear birds singing above the trees. The friends sit under the tree, enjoying the music of nature. Milo uses his long tail to draw shapes in the sand. As the sun sets, they head home, hearts full of joy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.